In this question, you have to match the items in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency can lead to emphysema, which is a lung disorder. And alpha 1 antitrypsin therapy can replace this deficient protein, and thus it can be used for treatment of emphysema. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, cry1 AB gene, which is derived from Bacillus thuringiensis, produces a protein which is very toxic to the corn bearer, which is a common pest in corn crops. Thus, B matches with 4. And cry1 SE genes, which also comes from this Bacillus thuringiensis, it targets cotton bollworms and providing pest resistance in BT cotton. Thus, C matches with 1. And adenosine deaminase, that is ADA deficiency, which causes a severe combined immunodeficiency, that is KID, can be managed with the enzyme replacement therapy using ADA, which supplements the missing enzyme. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option A.